I don't think I love you no more. You never seem to call me lately, but I don't think she knew me at all.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys yeah, that was cringe. Let me redo that intro. Okay. Okay, right, this is the last try, I promise. I'm going to show you guys how to install OBS. So I'm going to be making a line of videos. Basically, the first one is going to be how to install OBS. The second one is going to be how to install VideoPad video editor. The third one is going to be how I record my videos. The fourth one's going to be how I edit my videos, and the fifth one's going to be how I publish them. This is just to help you guys out if you're starting a channel and you want to know the best way to record, edit, and publish. So, yeah, let's just, without further ado, let's get into the actual download. So what you want to do is open up Google, of course. And you want to type up OBS, exactly how I have, in lowercase, just OBS. And you want to look for the one by obsproject.com, and that says OBS bracket, I can't speak today, OBS Open broadcaster software, whatever. That's the one you want. If it's not that one, then it's not right, because then it's not from OBS. Anyway, you want to open that, and as you can tell, if you have Linux, that's the one you want. If you have Macs, Jesus, I'm sorry guys, if you have Macs, bookmark. Okay, so if you have Mac, then you're going to want to get that one, and if you have Windows, you want this one. With Windows though, however, it only support, well, I say only, it does support every Windows, but not as smoothly as it would if you're on Windows 8, 8.1, or Windows 10. So yeah, I'm going to click Windows, of course, because I have Windows, and it's going to come up here as OBS Studio downloading. I'm just going to click this little arrow and press open when done, so it opens straight away. So once it's open, it's going to come up with something you can't see at the moment. For you, you won't be able to see this, but basically it's the user access control thing that we've all seen before. It says, do you want this? Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? OBS Studio, verified publisher, file origin, blah blah blah. We've all seen this before. If you haven't, I'm gonna get a really cringy picture from my phone and just upload it. Like, well, it's probably already, you can probably already see it, but basically, okay, so anyway, what you want to do is click yes, and then once you've done that, this is going to come up. So that's good. That means you've done it. It's right. You've actually done something good. First thing I think I've ever done that's good. Ever. Anyway, basically you just want to click next, and for me, it's telling me to close it because it's already running, but that's how I'm recording my video. But basically, once you press next, it's just going to say, do you agree to our terms and services? And just click accept, because they're all fine, unless you don't want to, and you want to read them and get abused by words, because there's quite a lot, by the way. And I always read them for some reason, because I'm a bit special. But anyway, basically, and then after you've agreed to the terms, it's just going to download and you're done. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, smash the like button, subscribe, hit that tiny little bell in the corner too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Guten Tagen. Is that French? No, you retard. Oh my god. Goodbye.